On this abundant Korean farm, every pumpkin begins its journey in the hands of skilled workers.
The harvested pumpkins are loaded by hand, each one handled with real weight and care.
Once filled, the heavy crates are moved to the truck for transportation to the factory. The pumpkins are secured onto the truck, ready for their journey to the processing facility. From the fields, the harvest begins its trip toward the factory for processing. At the facility, the pumpkins are unloaded and prepared for the first stage of inspection. Each pumpkin is inspected carefully to remove any that are damaged or unsuitable for processing.
Once sorted, the pumpkins are sent to the washing line to remove soil and surface impurities.
High-pressure water jets thoroughly clean each pumpkin before further processing.
After washing, filtered air is used to dry the pumpkins before they enter the cutting stage.
At the cutting station, each pumpkin is carefully halved using a controlled industrial blade.
Seeds and excess fibers are removed by hand to prepare the pumpkins for the next stage of processing.
At this stage, seeds and fibrous pulp are manually removed to ensure only clean pumpkin flesh moves forward.
The cleaned pumpkin flesh is then fed into the grinder to begin the extraction process.
Inside the grinder, the pumpkin is broken down into a coarse pulp for further processing. The pumpkin pulp is gently heated and stirred to prepare it for the next stage of processing. The mixture is filtered to remove remaining fibers, leaving a smoother pumpkin liquid. Water and sweetener are added in controlled amounts to balance the final flavor. The drink is pasteurized to ensure safety and shelf stability before bottling.
After pasteurization, the drink is cooled to prepare it for bottling.
The drink is filled into lightweight plastic bottles, with volume carefully controlled on the production line.
Labels are applied and aligned as the bottles move steadily toward final packaging.
With the bottles sealed and filled, labels are applied before final packaging. Each bottle is sealed and checked to ensure a tight, leak-free cap.
Each bottle is labeled and branded before final packaging. The finished bottles are carefully packed into cartons for distribution.
The cartons are stacked, wrapped, and prepared for shipment.
From harvest to shipment, the process is complete and ready to reach consumers.
From farm to glass, this is Korean red pumpkin juice.